I ain't tryna pick for you, but it's now or never. The streets and you, I be torn between the two.
Go start 2, 2, 3, go.
Charity, go. Gave it to them people. Go. Fucking go. Certified speak. Go.
So it comes with a wig cap, and it's a 13x4 24-inch curly wig, and this was by my company, styled by Symone J. No shedding at all, and this is before I customize it. I have a full, more in-depth video on how I customize wigs, but here I am bleaching the knots. So this is what it looked like after I bleached the knots. Now I'm about to go in and pluck. This is what it looked like after I've plucked it. Perfect. So first I'm going to be using my cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. Then I use the Boho Active, Boho Extreme, Boho Liquid Gold, and the Boho Tape, and my even tinted lace sprays. Now we got to go in and slick those edges back. Then I go on with some rubbing alcohol to rub all the oils, excess oils off my face. Now I'm about to go in and do the ball cap method. And this is explanatory itself. I cut holes in my ears first, and then I apply whatever glue I want to use. After applying the liquid gold, I go in and dry the cap, making sure it's secure and it won't lift. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses, applying it on my ball cap. Then lastly, I'm going to spray some of my tint spray right on top of the cap so the makeup won't move. Then I go in and apply the same foundation on my lace, and I also spray my tint spray right on my lace. And as you can see, I'm mixing both sides because my skin, I don't know, I just always just mix both sides with it. Can never go wrong with that. Now I'm spraying the lace down, making sure the makeup won't move off. Then I'm blow drying, making sure it's all dry. Now I'm going in, cutting that lace off. So this time around, I wanted to try and use the bow hold tape I bought, and it worked pretty well for me. Yeah, as you can see, I'm applying my tape right here. And for extra security, I also applied the bow hold active. Then I rub that in, let that dry. Then I also went in with my bow hold extreme, put that right on top because I wanted this so secure, y'all. And now I'm letting that dry on up. I'm rubbing it in and letting it dry. Now I'm putting my lace on. I always clip it back just so I can see the front. Now I'm laying it down, about to press it down, and I'm gonna tie my elastic band right on top of it until it's completely dry so I can begin cutting my lace. So I go and add a little bit more makeup at the top before I put my edges down. So y'all, this was like 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't know how I cut my arm, but I just wanted to explain that to y'all before y'all just saw this paper towel I'm about to put on my arm, because my arm just kept bleeding. So I had to put something over it so it would stop.
A few moments later.
So this is the reveal, and it is melted somewhat. I just have to go in and fix a couple of things, but it's really melted. So now I'm going in, I'm pulling my edges out so I can lay them suckers down. After cutting my edges about like an inch or so, I'm going in and I'm using this method I saw on Jada. Y'all know Jada. I seen this method she used on her Instagram one day. She used like a little flat iron and she used freeze spray to lay her edges, and now I live by that. I do not put any edge control or mousse on them. If I don't have to, I'd rather just use my little flat iron like she does and spray it with some Gots to Be spray, and it really has worked wonders for me, so I'm glad I saw that. So yeah, just look how, literally y'all, if y'all try that method, you'll see how fast I can slick my edges down. Like, look at how fast I can slick my edges down, y'all. And now for the final reveal. Boom. I love this wig. I love the edges. I've never done a really like super curly look on myself, so I really love this. It was different. Y'all subscribe. More videos to come. Bye.